Hello, this is Seaton from Wild Rose 911. We specialise in Crown Victorias, but sometimes we have customers that want us to work on other vehicles. And here's a Toyota Camry we're working on there. This is what happens when you have a vehicle that has a timing belt and you go 30,000 miles more than you're supposed to. Timing belt all fell to pieces, left the owner stranded. Here's what the timing belt's supposed to look like. So don't cheat your car on maintenance. If it says change it at 80,000 or 100,000 miles, you're best to do it, because you sometimes get a little over and then disaster strikes. So here's a timing belt 30,000 miles overdue. Here's a new one. So we're putting this back together for a customer, but I thought I would show you what happens when you don't service your vehicle properly. Now the Crown Victorias have timing chains, so this doesn't happen. And most Japanese vehicles have, and smaller American vehicles have timing belts. So the belts have a lifetime. When it's up, it's up. And you can see this one's definitely up. Contact us, wildrose911.com. Check out our YouTube site, subscribe, that really helps us, and we'll keep you up to date what's happening in sunny Southern California. And don't mistreat your baby. If it needs servicing, service it to avoid this. Have a good day.